Hi, I've had a number of people ask questions about using grade transfer, so I will attempt to demonstrate as best I can. I will be using a quiz. I usually call my quizzes spot checks just because they are formative assessments, and I usually don't actually count their grade within the actual running grade for my courses. So as I've demonstrated in previous videos, you can upload quiz scores directly from Google Forms in your Google Classroom. I'm going to import grades. It's going to say, are you sure you want to? I'm going to say import them. And you'll actually see these scores right here are going to show up as filled at this point. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, and you might have other plugins and shortcuts. You'll see I have a number of them up here. But you're going to see one that has GT. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on that in this screen, and you're going to say, got data. It's going to give you a list of students here. This is blurred out for privacy purposes. You're going to click OK. Then you're going to go to Infinite Campus. And you'll see I have a number of assignments shown right here. I'm going to select the one I want. This is spot check number 1. I'm going to expand that. And then I'm going to go up to grade transfer again. And I'm going to notice it has the green check. In other words, it has the data. And then I'm going to click fill data. And now it's going to fill in those student grades. It's going to tell me up here, the pop-up gave me who those students were. And you'll see that they show up with a green. There are occasional times, you'll notice this one right here. For whatever reason, the information that the state has given Google for the account making doesn't correspond to what's in Infinite Campus, and they want those names in grade transfer to be the same. So if it's a name, for instance, some foreign languages have names that don't correspond directly for whatever reason, they aren't entered correctly, then I just need to go back into my spot check. This is the first student, so this one's pretty easy. See what they got there. Go in here and enter that grade. I'm going to hit save. And now I can go ahead and minimize that. You'll notice if I go back up to grade transfer that now there is no data that's been grabbed. It's just empty. So hopefully this gives you an opportunity to be able to use grade transfer a little bit more in your work. You can do it with any grades as long as you have a screen in Google Classroom that looks like this, and that their grades have been added. And that can work for Word document assignments. It could work for slides, whatever you might have. All right, I hope this has helped, and best of luck to you.